Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Filipino fruit salad. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 large can of fruit cocktail, 1 bottle of nata de coco, and 1 bottle of kayang, all thoroughly drained. For the creamy base, have 1 pack of all-purpose cream and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk ready. Some like to add shredded young coconut or diced cheese for a unique twist. Now, let's create the signature creamy base for our fruit salad. It's vital to ensure all your fruit cocktail, nata de coco, and kayang are completely drained. Excess syrup can make your salad watery. In a spacious mixing bowl, gently combine the chilled all-purpose cream with the sweetened condensed milk. Whisk these 2 ingredients together until they are perfectly smooth and well blended, forming a luscious, sweet foundation. With your creamy base ready, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully add all the drained fruit cocktail, nata de coco, and kayang into the bowl with the cream mixture. Using a spatula, gently fold the ingredients until everything is well coated, being careful not to crush the fruits. Once combined, cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate for a minimum of 3 to 4 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Your delightful Filipino fruit salad is now ready to be enjoyed. Always serve it well chilled to appreciate its refreshing sweetness and creamy texture. For an appealing presentation, you might garnish it with a few fresh mint leaves or some additional fruit. Any leftovers should be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will remain delicious for up to 3 days. Feel free to experiment with adding fresh fruits like grapes or apples for a personalized touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.